So today I'm going to show you how to paint gel polish on your nails. I wanted to do a small disclaimer. I'm starting off on a builder gel base. So I have builder gel on my natural nails. If you want to know how I did that, be sure to check out the video I will link in the description box and in the cards, so you can click on that video after you watch this one. So there's a reason I apply my gel polish on top of a builder base, and it's for when I'm removing the gel polish and I'm filing the gel polish off my nails. I'm not filing into the layers on my natural nail and making them thin and weak. So when you file off the gel polish on top of the builder gel base, that builder gel is providing a coating for your natural nail and you're not going to file into it. Another option for you is to apply 2 layers of base coat underneath your gel polish, but it's very simple and easy to use. If you're interested in learning how I got builder gel on my nails, I will link the video I did in the description box and in the cards for you to see. Be sure to check that video out after you watch this one. If this video is helpful, be sure to like it. If you have any comments or questions, leave them in the comment section, and subscribe if you like nail and nail art content.
So Moscow mule nails are very popular right now. It's basically just some bronze chrome on top of black nail polish. So I bought this kit from Amazon of chrome powders, and I'm going to try out the Moscow mule nails. So I'm starting off by painting a black gel polish on top of my builder gel. If you're interested in knowing how I applied my builder gel at home, I'll be sure to tag that video. So with gel nail polish, you can just go right on top of the builder gel without filing or anything. Or if you need to file the builder gel to make it more smooth, you can do that if you want to. But I did not do any filing of my builder gel, so I just went straight on top with this black gel polish. So when I'm applying gel polish, I try to be a little bit more careful than when I apply regular nail polish, because you don't want to get any gel polish on your skin. Well, I should say you don't want to cure any gel polish on your skin. So if I get any gel polish on my skin, I'm just going to take a brush and clean it up, remove it off my skin, off my cuticle area before I cure the polish in the lamp. And I'm just going to apply the black to all my nails and then do one cure in the lamp for 2 minutes. So the key to not flooding your cuticles is basically applying the gel polish kind of in the middle of the nail to make sure you don't have too much polish on the brush, and then slowly push the gel polish towards the cuticle area. And then to get the corners and the sides of the nail, if the nail brush is too big, you can just take a small liner brush and really fill in to the side walls and the cuticle area, so you can avoid getting as much gel polish on your skin as possible. After I applied all the gel polish to my nails, again, I'm going to go in with the liner brush, fill any spaces. Then I will make sure there's no gel polish on my skin. If there is, I will remove it with a brush, and then I'm going to cure my nails under my UV lamp. I'm using a black gel polish by the Nail Addict, I think. I think they changed their name to the Nail Reserve now, so yeah, do with that what you will. I'm going to go ahead and apply a second coat of this gel polish, just because some areas are more sheer than others. And I don't know how much of a difference that will make since I'm applying a brown chrome on top of the black. But just to be consistent, I wanted the black to be completely opaque underneath. So I just went ahead and applied a second coat of the gel polish. With gel polish, you do kind of want to go thin with your coats. You don't want to make the coats too thick, because then you're going to have issues with the polish curing underneath the lamp. I'm going to cure that under the lamp for 2 minutes, because black does take a little bit longer to cure because it's such a dark color. Alright, so this is the chrome kit I got from Amazon. I'll tag that in the description box if you're interested in this kit. I was trying to decide which bronze color to use. I think I ended up picking the number 1. So with chrome polish, after you apply the gel polish, you want to use a non-wipe gel top coat. And then you cure the non-white top coat for 30 seconds. So that's what I did. I applied the top coat to all my nails, the non-white top coat. I cured it in the lamp for 30 seconds, and then I applied this number 1 bronzy chrome powder on top of my nails. This kit comes with the little eyeshadow applicator, so I just applied that and it was sticking really nicely. And you want to kind of buff it into that top coat to get that really opaque chrome look to where it's like kind of mirror-esque, mirror-like. I did make some mistakes when applying this chrome that if I did this again, I would change. You want to really make sure you get into the edges of the nails, especially around like the lateral folds and the cuticle area. You really want to make sure you get enough chrome powder in there or it's going to start to chip throughout the week. Like this manicure ended up chipping pretty badly like on day 2 or 3, which is annoying because, you know, gel polish lasts like 3-4 weeks and it just looked bad after a couple days because you can see the black nail polish underneath. So when you're applying chrome, really be sure to get into the corners, the edges, the free edges, and make sure to finish file. I heard that was a good idea to encapsulate the chrome and then file, which is basically just taking a file and filing the free edge of your nail before you apply your top coat. And this will keep the polish from chipping at the top of the nail. Next, I just took this little brush to try to dust off the chrome. It didn't work that much, so I really ended up giving up. I brushed as much as I could off before applying my top coat, and I do have a specific top coat for like chrome powders as well as, you know, sparkly polishes and stuff like that. They definitely get in your top coat and you don't want to ruin your manicure, so be sure to have a specific gel top coat just for your chrome so it doesn't ruin your non-chrome manicures. Anyways, I applied again the non-wipe top coat on top of this and then cured it in the lamp, and this was my attempt at the Moscow Mule nails. They looked really good. After I cured my nails, I washed my hands to remove the rest of the chrome that's around my nail. But they looked really good at first, but like I said, a couple days later, they started chipping, unfortunately, and you can see the black gel polish underneath. And this was the final look. This is my attempt at the Moscow Mule nails. Let me know what you think of it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, y'all.